Hi everybody, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Did you know there's a secret weapon for fighting fat and controlling your appetite? It's not a trendy supplement or a miracle pill, it's fiber. Yes, fiber is the ultimate tool for weight control, and here's why. Fiber fills you up without adding calories, so you eat less and stay satisfied longer. It also triggers appetite quieting hormones in your gut, slows digestion, and keeps your blood sugar steady by lowering the glycemic response to carbs. And here's another perk. Fiber even helps us eat more mindfully because it naturally slows down how fast we can eat. Oh, and let's not forget, it feeds the good gut bacteria, which can help regulate your metabolism and reduce inflammation. So how much fiber do you need? Aim for at least 25 to 37 grams a day. More is even better. And here's how to pack your meals with fiber. Beans are the fiber MVPs. Just a half cup delivers more than 6 grams. Add them to your salads, soups, your wraps, anywhere. Fruits and veggies are great too. The fiber-rich heroes are berries, apples, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Intact whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, and brown rice provide steady energy and lots of fiber. So go for 2 to 3 servings daily. And here's a quick tip. Swap foods with isolated, artificially added fiber. They don't offer the same benefits as natural fiber found in whole foods. This week, I challenge you to fill up on fiber. Add beans to your lunch, toss some berries into your breakfast, and make veggies the star of your dinner. It's simple, effective, and your body and brain will thank you. See you next week, and don't forget to share this tip with someone who could use a little more fiber in their life.